Coconut curry shrimp is on the menu today. The garlic, the carrots are optional, so I'll be using the Grace Pure Cream Coconut. Stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
I have here 24 shrimps. I'm going to devein it. Even though the fish market says deveined, you have vein right here. So you always have to go over your shrimp and make sure you devein it. Just gonna rinse them now with some lemon juice and water. Now I'm going to put the shrimp in the fridge to marinate overnight, and we make these curry shrimp tomorrow. I have my shrimps here, my bell peppers, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, a stalk of scallion, some carrots, and some garlic. The carrots are optional. I don't have any fresh coconut milk, so I'll be using the Grace Pure Cream Coconut. First, light the stove. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter. You can use regular oil, but I choose to use butter today. I'm going to add some curry powder. We're using the Jamaican choice curry powder. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Add my Scotch bonnet pepper. Scallion. Garlic. Some ginger. Now we're going to cover this, allow this to cook for about 10 minutes, and then I'll add my shrimp. Alright, so now, oh man, this smells so good. I'm going to add the bell peppers. And my shrimp. And carrots. Going to cover and let this cook for 5 minutes. So circle back in 5 minutes. Five minutes pass and our shrimp is cooked. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. Bye.